tired of holding it all together? Let it all go. Right here. Right now. The sea knows how to hold you. Let the sun melt the tension behind your eyes. Breathe in salt and stillness. Your deep rest begins now. My name is Gail, and on behalf of Klay Meditation, I'd like to welcome you to relax on the beautiful sandy beaches of Ocho Rios, Jamaica. Find a quiet space where you can lie down fully supported. Let your body soften, gently held by the surface beneath you. Close your eyes now and turn your gaze inward. This is your time, a sacred pause in the rhythm of your life. Take 2 soft sips of air and let your exhale be slow. Feel yourself arriving into stillness, into self. If you wish, invite a gentle intention, something you are cultivating in this season of life. Keep it short, simple, and in the present tense. Let it echo quietly through you, like a soft wave returning to shore. Begin by simply noticing the breath. No need to change it. Just let it flow like the sea breeze at sunrise. Inhale and exhale. Each breath a tide. Now bring your attention to your toes. Feel the weight of your feet sinking into the sand beneath you. Let the ankles soften, then the calves, the knees, gently move awareness up through your thighs and hips. Release the belly. Let it be soft, like warm waves lapping the shore. Feel the chest rise and fall. Effortless, peaceful. Imagine now you're walking barefoot along a quiet beach in Ocho Rios. Each step leaves a gentle imprint in the golden sand. With every breath, the Caribbean sun warms you from the inside out. Now see a smooth, wide staircase carved into the shoreline. With each soft step downward, you sink deeper into ease. 10, 9, 8, drifting gently like a coconut in tide. 7, 6, 5, lighter with every breath. 4, 3, your body melting, your mind quiet. 2, 1, completely held by the rhythms of the earth. You find a hammock strung between two palms. The fabric cradles your spine as the breeze hums softly through the fronds. Time slows. Thoughts dissolve. A warm glow wraps around you. A soft golden light from within and all around. You are safe. You are enough. You are free to rest. Let these truths ripple through you with each breath. Begin to return gently. Noticing once again the rhythm of your breath. Feel the air around you. The weight of your body supported beneath you. The sea is still within you. Begin to return gently. Noticing once again the rhythm of your breath. Feel the air around you. The weight of your body supported beneath you. The sea is still within you. Wiggle your fingers, your toes. Take a deeper breath now. And let it stretch into your ribs. Begin to count up. 1, 2, 3, 'Waking slowly. 4, 5, 'Eyes soft. 'Body relaxed. 'Mind clear. 'Bring with you the peace of the ocean, the softness of sand. Carry this rest into the current of your day.